Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super important, your sleep sanctuary. A good night's sleep is essential for your health and happiness, and the key to that starts with your bedroom. So, let's level up your sleep sanctuary with our complete bedroom furniture guide. 1. The bed, the centerpiece of your sanctuary. First up, the bed. It's the heart of your bedroom, and choosing the right one is crucial. Frame material, wood for durability, metal for a modern look, and upholstered for a cozy feel. Size matters, pick the right size, twin, full, queen, king, or California king. Comfort, invest in a quality mattress, firm, medium, or soft based on your preference. Style, match the bed with your room's theme, modern, rustic, or minimalist. 2. Nightstands, your bedside companions. Next, nightstands. These are essential for functionality and style. Height should be level with or slightly above the mattress. Storage, choose based on your needs. Drawers for clutter, open shelves for display. Style and material, match them with your bed and other furniture, wood, metal, glass. 3. Lighting, setting the mood. Lighting sets the mood in your bedroom. The right lighting can make your space feel warm and inviting. Ambient lighting, ceiling lights or pendant lights for overall illumination. Task lighting, bedside lamps or wall-mounted lights for reading. Accent lighting, fairy lights, lid strips, or candles to add a cozy touch. 4. Personal touches, make it your own. This is where your personality shines through, making your bedroom uniquely yours. Bedding, choose comfortable and stylish bedding layer with throws and pillows for added coziness. Decor, art, photos, plants, and decorative items that reflect your style. Rugs, a soft rug can add warmth and comfort underfoot. Curtains, light blocking for a good night's sleep or share for a light, airy feel. Creating the perfect sleep sanctuary is all about balancing functionality with personal style. From the right bed to the perfect lighting, every detail counts. Thanks for joining us today. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on creating your dream home. Sweet dreams.